All right, so you're looking for a good way to stretch out your shins and you're already in a kneeling position. Well, I'm going to teach you how to stretch out your shins from a kneeling position like this. So you'll be on your knees. Instead of having your toes curled up with the ground, get them so the tops are touching the ground and they're nice and flat. Then from here, you're going to straighten them out, push them as close to the ground as possible. Then you'll lower your butt onto your heels until you feel a maximum stretch in that shin area. Once you're there, hold that position. Do it for about 30 seconds or as long as you can stand. It might be shorter if you're not used to it. And then come out of it and you'll have efficiently stretched your shins on both sides.